What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'll show you final assembly of that very nice Atlas locomotive, originally with QSI decoder, which is history right now. So I'm using Nixtrainz decoder body and it's great. So I can work on the shelf the lights, because those days Atlas did good job, but I remodeled completely headlight and rear light with nice golden LEDs because of older locomotive type. And see that plug going straight to the board here. So I finished my lights here, no problem. Test everything's cool. Install ESU decoder, program everything, and speaker. So all good. Wire management using Copton tape, please. Looks like this. Very nice, not disintegrated after a few years, you know, like usually. Kind of sarcastic. Yeah, so, and it's good stuff. So let's put this together. The board here has a key, which is one pin is missing here and no hole in this small board. Okay, so it's only is going one way. Sorry, you'll see a lot of my hands, but I'll try my best. So here we go. That's empty spot, going like that. Here we go, see, and just slowly putting it down. Also, when you taking decoders or DC plugs, use some kind of, try not to use just fingers to rip it out, but like slowly with bamboo, like those chopsticks, you know, just very slowly from both sides, you know, release it. Okay, so we're done here. Make sure no wires. It will be like that. You will hear some 2 clicks, or maybe 1, depends. So they are like 2 like lockers. See that near on the gray speaker? That's what it is. It's also here up front, but I'm turning it around, make sure no wires, and should be good now. Here we go. A little bit differently, so it's like in the angle, but it's good now. See? It depends on the model and how often it was opening back and forth. So those lockers here. Yeah. Done. Next video will be testing on the layout. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you would like support channel, there is join membership button under every single video. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.